Hello, TikTok. We are going live. Testing. Okay, that looks like that's working. And the stream is working. Okay, so we're live. Hoping you can all see that. So let's jump right in. So these are our Bitcoin updates for today, Tuesday, March 23rd. So as you can see, Bitcoin's been having kind of a rough week. We've fallen quite a bit in price. Mostly red for pretty much the entire market. This does happen from time to time. XRP up quite a bit, surprisingly 23%. For those of you who don't know, XRP was delisted from most exchanges because they are being sued by the SEC for an unlicensed sale of a security. But the community has been pressuring exchanges recently to relist XRP so they can continue trading. Tough day, yeah, for cryptocurrencies. It's been a pretty rough day, unfortunately. But you just want to like take a look at the longer, bigger picture, because we are down on the day, hour, week. But if you look back like a month ago, we're up pretty high. 3 months ago, up huge amounts. Just 3 months ago, Bitcoin was still trading around 20K. So it's a bummer sometimes when you don't constantly see everything going up. But it's important to remember that these are, at least to me, long-term plays. And to you too, I think that's something you should consider, that Bitcoin isn't really something you want to do just for the hype. It's more of a long-term. I thought it would be a great long-term buy back in last spring at this point. And if I had gotten panicked and sold when my Bitcoin dropped from like 10K to 9K, I would have missed out on a lot of gains. So while it is a bummer that we're not going up right now, just keep in mind we do have these ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. And then after this, we'll probably be on another uptrend, because I definitely don't think the bull market is over. In fact, if we take a look at the stock to flow model, we are actually at a fair value of Bitcoin today. The fair value of Bitcoin is supposed to be about 54.3K, and we are around 54.4, I believe, 54.5. So we're pretty close to what was predicted to be a fair value. And if we take a look at this again, you'll see that the Bitcoin's predicted after having top price is going to be around, or after having average price is going to be around 86 to 95K. So about 90K on average over the next couple of years. So that's pretty good, still pretty good returns if you buy in now. The cycle repeats after having top is predicted to be 600K, which is quite a bit above the 1 to 400K that I was predicting about a year ago now. I haven't really changed my predictions much. I think that we are a bit ahead of what would have been predicted from previous cycles. And so that's why they've had to adjust up, but we'll see. You never know. On market dominance, Bitcoin is at 61.1%. Been a little consolidation period here. We want to keep an eye on this, because whenever market dominance falls, money tends to flow from Bitcoin into other altcoins like Ethereum. So those are the ones that start going up in price at that time. Over on Bitcoin treasuries, publicly traded companies do currently hold 6.47% of the total Bitcoin supply, at a total number of 1,358,946 Bitcoin, you see way down here. And then it's currently valued at $73.9 billion. That will probably change with time, though. There are currently 2,337,000 Bitcoin left to be mined, and we are mining at a rate of 900 new Bitcoin per day. I don't mean myself mining at rate. I mean collectively all miners across the planet are bringing in an average of 900 new Bitcoin per day from block rewards. And then with the recent pullback, the relative unrealized profit loss Nupal chart is at around 69%, which is still bullish. We have not really hovered at and around that 75% that is a bearish indicator. So I do think we still have some upside potential. And with the pi cycle top indicator, we are nearing a crossover, what looks like, but we are not at one yet. So we do still have some room to go. So that's pretty much it for our updates today. I'm going to check if there's any questions. If not, I'll probably be hopping off and then hopping on later to do some resources spreadsheet updating. I am working on making videos explaining the resources spreadsheet that I have for cryptocurrency. Let me pull this up. Why are you not working? As you can see right here, I do have some video links explaining the resources, and I would like to do some of those more in depth, so I'm going to be hopefully working on those. They're mostly YouTube Shorts, Instagram videos, and then TikToks right now, but I do want to make some of those a bit longer, so I will be working on that over the coming weeks, and hopefully we'll be done soon, so we'll have this whole thing laid out. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, you'll not only know where to go, but know how to use the resources or where you can go for more information. That's pretty much it to report today. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you got any value from this, and if you want to continue receiving updates or videos. Thank you.